how to combine the first and the last names in Excel. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by opening up Excel, and this is an example data. You can open up your Excel data as well that you would like to combine. And from there, we can use the concatenation formula. So for that, what we can do is we can click on the cell where we want the full name. For example, let's say this is the cell. And there type in, there's a call to, and select the first name like this. And type in and make a space. And again type in and select the next data, which is this one right here, B2. After that, you can press enter and it will give you the data that you're looking for like this. You can just go over and do so. And you can select the first data and you can drag and drop it. Drag the formula down and it will combine all of the names available here. You can check it out and you will be finding the result here. For example, let's say this is the result. And there we go. You can just go over and check it out. Apart from that, we can use the concat function in Excel. Works same as above. So what we can do is we can just go over and look out for is equal to and type in concat and inside bracket again select your first data, type in comma space under this and again select the second data and close up a bracket, hit enter and it will give you the result that you're looking for. And again you can drag and drop it in order to automate your data here. You can just go and follow up this. After combining, you will be finding the result that you're looking for. But that's it, everybody. Usually these two are the easiest method available if you'd like to combine the names in your Excel files. So we hope this video was helpful. Ensure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.